In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move a ClickUp space to another workspace. This method works by turning your existing space into a template, then using that template in the new workspace. It doesn't add any complicated steps, but it does give you a reliable way to recreate the same structure somewhere else. First, open ClickUp and go to your list view where you can see the space you want to move. On the left-hand sidebar, find the team space you're working with. Hover over its name, and you'll see a small icon with 3 dots appear next to it. Click on those 3 dots to open the options menu for that space. In the menu, look for the option that says Save as Template and click it. This tells ClickUp you want to capture the current setup of that space so you can reuse it later. A new window will pop up asking for a template name. Type in a clear, descriptive name so you can easily recognize it later, especially if you have a lot of templates. Next, in that same window, you'll see a toggle for public sharing. Click on the toggle to turn on public sharing for this template. This is important because it makes sure the template is available when you switch to the other workspace. Once that's set, click on Save Template to confirm. ClickUp will take a moment to create the template, depending on how large your space is. Now you're ready to use that template in the new workspace. In the left sidebar, click on the plus icon next to space to start creating a new space in the other workspace. When the setup window opens, choose the option that says Use Templates. To quickly find the template you just created, click on the Created By filter and then select your own profile. This narrows the list down to templates you personally saved. From there, choose the Folder category, so you're only looking at folder or space level templates. When you see the template name you created earlier, click on it. A detail panel will open and you'll see a button labeled Use Template. Click on that, then click on Select Location. Now choose exactly where in the new workspace you want this space to go. After you've picked the location, click Use Template again. ClickUp will now create a new space in your chosen workspace using that template, effectively moving your original space structure over. Once it finishes, review the new space to confirm